Alright, I am back in my aunt's garage with the Liftmaster 1.5 horsepower chain drives, 8165s. Nothing has changed on these units. Alright. You can see I actually had to reprogram it. And the chain, apparently it's going too far down, so I'll have to do something about that. Just back the opener. And I am videoing this with my phone again. On the door, same thing. Just the sensors right down here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, there's that. And the buttons are the same. 82 LMs. I don't know why the light turned on. Learn and lock buttons. Yeah. And I'm just gonna run these doors. So come on, focus. There we go. So we'll start with the farthest door. I'm thinking I'm also gonna have to tighten the chain. I think that's a little bit loose because you can hear it dragging on the trolley. This is kind of loud at the moment. Can't hear it so much when it's closing, but I'm gonna have to do something about that. It's a problem. Yeah, that's going way too far down. This one really doesn't get used much. I don't know why they use the farthest one off. Oh, you know what? I think because they were putting an addition to their house, remodeling and stuff, and they wanted to be able to, didn't want to have to carry stuff around the car. So, yeah. Alright, we'll run this one. Well, this one I've never had to reprogram. This one's worked fine. Kind of loud openers though. Alright, we'll go outside and I will show you the keypad and outside of the doors. Yeah. It's outside, keypad right here. 877 LM, we'll run the door up. And because the keypad is programmed in both doors, I have to run the code again. Alright, we'll run this door down, and that'll be it. I don't want to destroy these things, especially that one. Alright, there you go guys. Thank you guys for watching. Check back soon. I'll be getting a video in the other garage, and I might end up getting a couple more videos this weekend, but check back soon and subscribe to the channel.